I mean, any volunteer with the some ideas. What is a connector? Okay, Dario, come on. What do you understand by connector?
Yes, when we're talking about the connector, I understand that bring two idea and three connector to idea. For example, I like something and I don't like something. When you want to connect the two ideas, you say that. For example, I like Fanta, I don't
So
like.
you say that the connector is a word which is used to link two ideas. Come on.
Yes, connectors are words or phrase words which join two ideas.
Okay, so connector is a word which connects two different ideas.
Yes.
Yes.
Talking about connector, today we have a chance, all of us, we have a chance to speak about connectors. And connectors are words to connect two ideas, like two ideas or more ideas.
Okay.
Yes.
Ah.
May I put
Come
some
on.
example?
For example, I like Fanta. I don't like Coca-Cola.
I like Fanta. I don't like Coca-Cola.
Yes.
Okay, so which is the connector for these two sentences?
I like Fanta, but
Volunteer to write these sentences. Okay, come on. Thank you indeed. Thank you. Thank you. Sit down, Joaquin. Come on, you can write. You write. Okay, class.
I don't like I don't like Coca-Cola. Um, the connectors, but
We have there, I like Fanta, but I don't like it, Coca-Cola. So we have the connector, which is but. Thank you indeed. Thank you. It's well done. So can we have another volunteer to construct one sentence using the connector? Oh, okay.
Yes, I
So
brought
let's pay attention. Claudine is going to construct one sentence. Come on.
some EG. I like you. I like cassava, but I don't like okra.
Okay.
In this phrase, we have connector. Connector in this phrase, connector is a but.
Thank you indeed. Have a seat. As well as we have the second sentence, have a seat, which is I like it cassava, but I don't like it okra. Now, I need one volunteer to mention some of connectors. Can someone mention some of connectors? Because we have a lot of connectors, not only but we have of the other of them. So some volunteer to mention some of the connectors. You can mention there, and I'm going to take note here. Come on,
Yeah.
you have there, but
We have the connectors also.
also. So we have there also. Class, let's pay attention. We have there also.
However,
However, however, however,
therefore,
therefore, therefore,
and the because,
therefore,
and the because.
and because. Because. Okay. Thank you. Another volunteer.
We have many connectors.
Yeah, we have many connectors.
Yeah.
Yeah, so mention 3 of them.
Nevertheless,
Nevertheless.
yes.
Nevertheless. Nevertheless.
Next,
Next.
yes.
Next. Next.
After,
After. Okay, so thank you. I asked you
yes.
3 connectors. Thank you indeed. The other connector is
They,
when,
so,
so,
has,
has,
has.
something like this.
Yes.
Hmm.
No.
As,
Yes.
mhm,
Before,
before. Thank you and sit down. Before, thank you and sit down. Now, class, thank you so much for your contributions. Of course, we have many connectors in English. The definition of connector is exactly what you said, that is a word which is used to link, to join 2 ideas, 2 sentences, or 2 paragraphs, showing the relationship of these ideas. And each connector, it has its functions. In English, we have many connectors. So each one functions in the way how the ideas are formed. Well, here we have some of the examples which you gave. I like cassava, but I don't like okra. We have but in this sentence is functioning as a contradiction connector, Now, if we use, for example, and we could put I like cassava and for example and okra. We could say I like cassava and okra. So if I say I like cassava and okra, I'm adding the first idea. I like both of them, cassava, okra. So I can just add these 2 ideas by using this connector. So the connector is important in the English language because it gives us the relationship between different ideas. Class, any doubt?
Because some doubt, but I wanna
Claudine,
say
stand up.
something.
Yes, stand up.
I haven't doubt, but I
Yeah.
wanna say something.
Yeah, come on.
Yes, I wanna thank you, teacher, for this opportunity. I'm so grateful. Thank you, teacher.
You're most welcome. You are most welcome. Blaim, do you have some suggestions?
and you know, because is connector.
Because, yeah, you can stand up. You can stand up. What's your question?
Because is connector.
Of course, because is a connector, a word which gives a reason, correct? And we can construct a sentence using it because. For example, if I say, I want to go to school because it is raining. I want to go to school. This is an example. I want go to school. I want to go to school because it is raining. It is raining. Any doubts? There's no doubt. I'm glad to be with you today. Thank you so much and have a good continuations of other lessons. Goodbye. See you next time.
Goodbye, teacher.